Hello guys, how are we doing? I hope we all enjoy our weekend. So real quick guys, I will be breaking down all the pairs that I will be monitoring for the coming week. So without really wasting much of our time, let's dive in on those pairs so that you guys can see what I am personally looking out for as the market is about to open, I think in 10 hours time, right? Because today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, the market will soon open guys. So real quick, guys, as you guys can see on my screen right here, we have Europe USD. And what am I really anticipating to see on Europe USD? Let's dive in on that, guys. So Europe USD from the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, the market is really trending bearish. So let me show us, guys, so that let's not be like I'm just capping right here, guys. You guys can see from the daily time frame, the market is really trending bearish. Lower low, lower high, lower low, and then now we have a lower high waveform. And this was my area of supply on the daily time frame, which I was really anticipating the market should start reacting off from to form a lower low. So you guys can see market is right there, and then we're having some form of confirmation already. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame so that will show us guys the trade breakdown, everything I'm looking at. But you guys have seen that the daily time frame is really trending bearish. Not only the daily, including the weekly time frame. So everything is really trending bearish. So everything that we'll be looking at for more of is bearish trend, right? I will be looking for more sales in the market because the market is really trending bearish. I expect to see more sales in the market. So moving down to the 4 hours time frame where I really plan to trade, let me show you guys what I'm really looking out for. So on the 4 hours time frame, you guys can notice what really happened. After we react up from that 4 hour daily time frame supply level, we have a 4 hours time frame change of character, right? We have a 4 hours time frame change of character. After that 4 hours time frame change of character, this pullback actually pull back to this supply level, which actually, the which is actually the institutional order that actually capture this liquidity for the aggressive push to downside. Because if we take a look at what price did right there, after they take out this liquidity, you can see how price really moved very aggressive that leads to the break of it, right? And since then, market never came back to react off from the supply level, and then the market keeps selling down, right? So hopefully, guys, I have two supply levels on this particular trade right here. After that spike to the downside, you guys can see we have this pullback, and then we still have another spike to the downside. Price never came back to react off from this supply level, and then we were just dancing around, building up dynamic liquidity right here, right? Which when I saw this, I was really anticipating price should capture this dynamic liquidity, come back, react off from this supply level or this one. So this is the reason why I'm having like two areas of supply on this particular setup, right? I was expecting okay, if price should capture this liquidity, I'm expecting this supply level to be respected. And if this one fails to hold price, then I am really looking forward to this one right here to wait for my entry confidence right for me to take a shot. And the reason why I'm having so much confidence that price will come back to this supply level is because we have this engulfing candle. That from this supply level, we have this engulfing candle and we have this static liquidity that is resting above this high. So I was hoping to see price coming back to take out that starting liquidity. Once we take out that starting, you know, expecting to see change of character in the 15 minutes time frame. So I can start selling this pair. So moving down to the 15 minutes time frame, that's what we're currently waiting for. Let's wrap up everything that I'm looking at for on this hours time frame. So hopefully, if this supply here fails to give us that lower time frame change of character, probably after this supply for mitigation. Once we have that mitigation, I'm expecting to see drop to downside because Europe USD from higher time frame, everything is pointing very. So I expect to see massive drop on Europe USD. I really expect to see a massive drop on Europe. So moving down to our 15 minutes time frame, because price is reacting off from the first area of supply already. Let's see what's currently going on that 15 minutes time frame, guys. So as the market is pulling back to form that H4 lower high that we already anticipating, you guys can see what was going on here. The market was forming higher low. We have higher high, we have higher low, we have higher high, we have higher low, we have higher high, right? And then right now the market is at our supply level, which we were anticipating price should come back for, and then give us this confirmation. So this is what I am waiting for on USD, right? On this 15 minutes time frame. This is the only thing that I'm waiting for. I'm patiently waiting for to see happening in order for me to take my short opportunity on Euro USD. Since price have already reacted off from our first area of supply zone from the 4 hours time frame, I'm waiting for this higher low that was formed. This higher low that was formed. I'm expecting price to come, take out this higher low, and then give me pullback. That's a simple thing I'm looking for. I can even go in from here, right? Then looking for this pullback, and then let's see a drop from USD. Let's see a drop. Taking out all this dynamic liquidity that is being formed right here, guys. All this dynamic liquidity, all this dynamic liquidity, all those imbalances right here, all those imbalances are area of targeting for me, and I'm expecting price to come and seek out for all these imbalances, take out all those liquidity that are resting below, and then target this week 4 hour low. That is my anticipation on Europe USD. So hopefully this is what I'm really looking for market to play out. So if this supply right here fails to hold, guys, like I said to you guys, right, where that totally shows that the market will give us a lower high and then continue going higher just to come back to the supply level. And once price reacts up from this supply level, same confluence that we are waiting for right on this first area of supply zone, same confluence that we are going to be waiting for at this area of supply. So there's nothing like changing or going aggressively, guys. No confirmation, no entry. So this is what I'm looking at on Europe USD. So moving to the GBP USD, because I also have GBP USD on my watch list. Looking at GBP USD, if you guys know GBP USD and Europe USD, you guys will know that they are pairs that correlate, right? They move alike. So, I love keeping them together. So, if Europe USD is not giving me what I want, I go for GBP USD, and GBP USD is not giving me what I want, I go for Europe USD. But they are pairs that really, really move alike. And if you can look at the chart, for yourself, you can tell Europe USD we are looking for short, GBP USD we are also short, guys. We're also looking for short. So hopefully, what I'm really, really expecting, price I've already taken out this liquidity. What I'm waiting for on GBP USD at the moment is to see this pullback, get to this supply level, and then we move down to the 15 minutes time frame. Then we move down to the 15 minutes time frame. As the market is forming high now, we're expecting this to happen, guys. This is the formation that we are waiting for to see in the market, right? Once we have this mitigation, we just want to wait for this to happen and then retest, and then we keep selling down. This is a clear period of what I am really anticipating to see on GBP. So you guys can see that everything is looking alike with Euro USD. There's no much difference. So this is what I am personally looking out for on GBP. And sometimes it depends on the time frame that the break of structure happened, but as long as the break of structure is making sense, all liquidity is captured, everything I've met, and the section that the break happened, trust me, guys, there's nothing that is stopping us from going on this right. There's nothing, and you guys can see we have bunch of liquidity below that price need to capture, and we also have imbalances that price needs to come back and fill. And then we have this 4 hours time frame week low, which price needs to pick up. So this is what I'm really, really anticipating to see on GBP USD. There's not much different between GBP USD and Europe USD. So let's have this on our watch list. Let's see how the probability is going to play out. But if the market decides to just go its own direction, guys, probably look for another opportunity, because the market is always moving and the market is full of opportunities. You just have to stay calm, and then you always wait for that right setup that you always wait for in order for you to partake in the market. It's as simple as that. So let's go, guys. So the last pair that I'm also looking at is NZD USD. NZD USD, like my pairs are USD, 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 and USD is pointing, everything is pointing so, guys. So the same thing goes to NZD USD. I'm looking for short opportunity right at this supply, but you guys know what I usually look for, right? Wait for confirmation once price start in the supply level. Wait for confirmation. Once that confirmation happens, then we short this market on side, downside. We short it on side, guys. Short it on side. So this is what I am really, really anticipating to see on Europe USD. Like not really complicated. You guys can see how the setup looks pretty simple and pretty clean, guys. So we have liquidity on this one. We're expecting liquidity to be taken out. We expect this supply level to be created. We expect to see a confirmation on the lower time frame, and then we take our shots to the downside, targeting this week low and more, guys, because we're expecting more sales on NZD USD, because NZD-USD also the overall sentiment from the higher time frame, weekly to the daily to the 4 hours time frame, everything is pointing there. So we expect to see more sales in the market than buys. Okay, so guys, if you love what I'm currently doing on this channel, all you just have to do for me is subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my weekly reviews like this, you you buy and by adding it to your watch list. Let's pay attention to what the price is playing out. And once it plays out, guys, so if you're wondering what is how when they set up player, how can you be able to be part of the sell? All you just have to do, guys, all you just have to do, send me a private DM. I made my link to my private DM available below this video right here. All you just have to do is send me a private DM so that we can grow together. Okay. So I wish us guys all a profitable week. And before I round up this video, this is what I have to say to you guys. As you plan your trade, make sure you stick to trade and make sure you trade your plan. Don't go by trying to force what is not really in the market and don't feel that pressure to trade because you see others trading. Always trade when your setup admit of, always trade when you feel like it is time for you to trade. All your confluences, all your checklists, everything that you actually look out for in the market in order for you to start investing your money in the market, wait for it to happen first before I take the market. Because when you keep placing that buy sell button because you see others placing the buy and the sell button, trust me, you are going to get wrecked, right? The market is going to wreck you mercilessly. So you just have to stay calm, trade your plan, plan your trade and trade your plan as well. So that is all I have to say to you guys. And just guys all a profit. What's up, guys?